I've been trying to do this for some time and have encountered obstacles, including just finding cheese curds. I finally found cheese curds. However, the price for fries was, I had to decide, do I want to go fries or do I want to go tater tots? Well, the tater tots were actually a better value, so I picked up those. So we are making Pou-Tots. I'm making Pou-Tots for gravy day, and this is what you're going to need. So before we do make poutine, I'm going to have a coffee. This is a special coffee. Shout out to Aussie Tash for gravy day. This video I am making just for you because I think it's a great gift idea. And it took me nearly a year just to find something that would work. I got some help. Are you ready for this? We'll see how this works. You just warm it up on the gravy. But coffee first. All right, let's make a coffee. Cheers. Now we're cooking. Yeah, I just love that. And I have seasoned these specially with a little extra of that black garlic Parmesan seasoning. So I'm just going to toast these up until they're nice and crispy. While we're waiting for the tater tots, it's adventure time! Yay! All right. Make a wish. Here, I gotta put my finger on it. All right, make a wish. Special for today. Okay, let's see what's behind window number 21. Oh, look, it's a little elf again. He's got a little doggy or something with a scarf. How cute is that? Look, little cute elf with a little doggy. Oh, that's so sweet. That's one of the last little chocolate elves with hazelnut filling, according to the indicator. Cheers. Much good with coffee this morning. I hope your wish comes true. All right. In making the gravy, we are going to season it with a little Montreal Steak seasoning. And I'd like to know, can you get Montreal Steak seasoning in Australia? Just wondering. You can try making these if you can ever get hold of some poutine cheese curds. So I don't know if something like that might be a type of a finished cheese or a specialty cheese product. If you're trying to maybe consider making this, it's hard making cultural variations even. So I'm doing my best. But this is for you, and I'm adding a half of a teaspoon, a nice little measure of Montreal Steak seasoning. So it's Canadian. Has to be Canadian. Get it to a nice hot temperature. And then I'm going to open this and see what this is like. Making gravy. You can play that song in the background. I hope you like it. Okay. Oh, it's ready. If you've ever used this product, let me know in the comments section below. Okay, I hope you can see this. I'm taking it out of the bag. How interesting. But there it is. It's one block of cheese. Oh, this is exciting. This is the first time I've seen cheese like this ever here in the United States. This is so exciting. This is quite a moment. Mark your calendar. Gravy day means different things in different places, but here in my little kitchen, this is like going to be a taste of home really quick. Maybe I should trim these a little smaller. I'm getting excited, sorry. Oh my. Oh my goodness, look at that. I have cheese curds. The gravy is lovely and hot. Canadian style poutine. Now the cheese curd has to be softened at least a little bit under the hot gravy. Here it is on the tater tots. This is Pou-Tot. And this last one, today is gravy day. Happy gravy day. Oh, Aussie Tash, if you're watching this, what do you think? Whoops, little doggy's having a sneeze. Oh my. Ooh. Oh, is that enough gravy for you? Hey, which one would you have? Gravy tot? Oh, ooh, this smells so good. I'm going to put a little bit more on there. Oh boy, this is for you. Happy gravy day. I've got a few extra curds for later. Oh, it's ready. Look at this. We have Pou-Tots with cheese curds and gravy. Mini pretzels and gravy. Pretzel sticks with gravy. That almost looks like a little beaver dam. Okay, anyways, maybe I'm onto something. All right, let's give this a taste. But before we do, now might be a dandy time. If you like my video so far, maybe consider giving it a gloves up. And better yet, if you know a friend that likes hockey or experimental cuisine, international and the like, maybe share it to that friend. And don't forget, whoops, watch out, Tika. If you really like my video, maybe consider hitting that puck and subscribe. That would really help me out. And thank you. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, Canada. Look at that. All right, let's see. The gravy, the potato, the little tater tot. Little tater tot's a bit squishy, but nonetheless. That is great gravy. All right, now I'm going to try a cheese curd, see if it's squishy. I don't know if the microphone can hear it squeak, but that's pretty close. That's how it tastes. That's what I remember. Well, there we have it. Today's Pou-Tot with cheese curds and beautiful gravy for Gravy Day. Happy December 21st, everybody. Share it along to a friend that may be looking for some comfort food this season. Until next time, do take care and au revoir.